How to turn off iPhone without the power button? Have a broken top or side button. Follow along for how to turn off iPhone without the power button. We shall also look at how to use assistive touch to lock your iPhone screen and more. Originally arriving with iOS 11, you can power down your iPhone even if the power button is not working. This is not something you shall likely need to use often, but if you drop your phone, have a malfunction or encounter some other issue with the power button, officially top or side button, depending on your iPhone model, this is a handy feature. This feature is also helpful for people who make use of accessibility features like those who may have difficulty squeezing buttons. How to turn off your iPhone without the power button. आज तो कौन है? How to turn off your iPhone without the power button? Navigate to settings, general, swipe down and tap shut down or swipe the power off slider from left to right. Siri cannot shut down an iPhone running iOS 14, but when asked, the smart assistant seems to hint it could be a possibility in the future. If you had liked to be able to lock your iPhone screen, put it to sleep, take screenshots and more, and don't have a working power button, you can do that with assistive touch on your screen. This is also useful if either of your volume button or mute switch are broken. Head to settings, accessibility. Now tap touch assistive touch to turn this feature on. Once you have the floating home button on your screen, tap it. Then tap device lock screen. What to do with old and dying AirPods? 7 option for replacing, selling and recycling. AirPods launched back in 2016 with AirPods Pro arriving in 2019. If you have had first or second gen AirPods or first gen AirPods Pro for several years, the batteries are probably wearing out. Let's look at a range of options for what to do with dying old AirPods, including replacing, selling and recycling. Apple does not specifically share how many charge cycles to expect from the batteries in AirPods Pro and AirPods Max. How long they last for you will depend in large part on how much you use and charge your AirPods. Dying and old AirPods background. While AirPods are under warranty, faulty batteries are covered, but for many the batteries are likely to die when AirPods are out of warranty. Instead of just buying a new pair and tossing or hopefully recycling them, let's look at some other option. What to do with old AirPods? Recycling AirPods for now. And there are no trade-in program for AirPods with Apple, but you can recycle them at any Apple store, Best Buy and Staples too. If you are okay with no getting any cash, we shall cover more on this below, but you can also check the trade-in value with our partner to get cash for your AirPods if they are working normally. How to recycle electronics of any brand at Apple, Best Buy and Staples.